My name is Osiyemi, and I'm Chief Executive Officer of Scales Integrated Services. It is SKLD, Scale for short. So, speaking about young leaders, I think it's even important to mention that young people can be leaders. And when you talk about leadership, I think one of the first qualities about leadership is vision. I think it's so important for us to set, the vision for children, young people, to begin to imagine what the future holds, the possibilities. I'm a very strong believer in finding the right inspiration for young people. And so it's important for us to show young children examples of possibilities in terms of career, in terms of impact on society, impact in humanity, inventions that, shape, the world. So that one quality. And then the second thing is discipline. Discipline is one of the most important things that you can talk about when it comes to leadership. And why is discipline important? Discipline talks about self-leadership first. You can't change the world if you can't change yourself. They say if you want to make a difference in the world, wake up and make your bed first. Because if you don't make your bed, you're not going to impact anybody. And so it's important to teach children very early the principles of discipline. Waking up, making your bed, making sure that you take the time to study, prepare for your academics, and make sure that you have excellent grades. And so that's those are two qualities I can talk about when it comes to leadership. So I think that the initiative today, led by Curate, is a very, very good one. Introducing children very early to public discussions. Even though it's a quiz, you see a lot of children, a lot of schools represented here. They are here to interact with their peers. And whilst it's good to have things like sporting competition and a number of other things, even math competition, here it's a quiz where they are being asked questions that are topical, speaking about history. And so it positions the children to be able to think and ponder what their contributions can be in society, how they themselves can be parts of society in a meaningful way. Being able to have conversations in a setting like this where there's a quiz, they are being taught to remember the history of our country, and it gives them a sense of the direction of the future of our country. So I'm really excited about this initiative, and I think it's going to impact a lot in how we shape the conversations around nation building. I would say it. I will use a phrase and not one word. I'll say start early, and that's my message today. Start early. Make sure that you get going immediately. Don't wait till you're an adult. Start shaping the future right now. Right, thumbs up to the decorating.